Honda HR-V 2025, a smart and stylish compact SUV. Welcome to Car Zone, your go-to place for the latest updates on cars and automobiles. Today, we bring you a detailed look at the Honda HR-V 2025, a compact SUV that blends style, technology, and practicality. Let's explore what makes this model stand out in the crowded SUV market. Modern and sporty design. The 2025 Honda HR-V comes with a refreshed exterior that looks both sporty and elegant. The front features a bold grille with sleek LED headlights, giving it a premium feel. The sculpted body lines and aerodynamic shape not only enhance the SUV's appeal but also improve efficiency. The no-alloy wheel designs and updated LED taillights complete the modern look, making the HR-V a head-turner on the road. Spacious and high-tech interior. Step inside the HR-V, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and comfortable cabin. Honda has focused on improving material quality, with soft touch surfaces and premium upholstery options. The digital instrument cluster and 9-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto provide a seamless user experience. The cabin is designed for convenience, with multiple storage compartments and a versatile magic seat system, allowing for flexible cargo space. Whether you're carrying groceries or heading on a road trip, the HR-V adapts to your needs. Powerful and efficient performance. Under the hood, the Honda HR-V 2025 is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 158 horsepower. It offers smooth acceleration and a comfortable driving experience. For those looking for better fuel efficiency, Honda may offer a hybrid variant, delivering impressive mileage. The CVT transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the available all-wheel drive system provides better traction on rough terrains. Advanced safety and driver assistance features. Safety has always been a priority for Honda, and the 2025 HR-V is no exception. The SUV comes equipped with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, blind spot monitoring. These features help enhance driver confidence and ensure a safer journey for passengers. Technology and connectivity. Honda has packed the HR-V 2025 with modern technology to enhance the driving experience. The infotainment system supports wireless smartphone connectivity, and higher trims may include a premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. The wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and Wi-Fi hotspot ensure that passengers stay connected on the go. Fuel economy and pricing. The fuel economy of the Honda HR-V 2025 is expected to be around 283 mpg, depending on the drivetrain. This makes it an efficient option for city and highway driving. As for pricing, the base model is expected to start at around $25,000, with higher trims reaching up to $30,000 or more, depending on features and optional